Speak that $4,200 passive income screenshot? They always cut right before the API bill shows up. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote / I'll be straight with you, I ran these make.com scenarios for 3 weeks straight, and the hidden costs will completely change your math. B-roll, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote / make.com dashboard with live AI scenario running, make.com powers every viral passive income workflow you've seen. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote / real results, but what it actually costs to run them is a different story. B-roll, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote / make.com scenario builder with 8 connected modules, 1 workflow, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote / schedule triggers ChatGPT at 6 a.m., generates Etsy listings, publishes automatically. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote / 8 modules equals 8 operations charged. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote / the $18.82 pro plan gives 10,000 ops per month. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote / running daily AI pipelines burns through that in 6 days flat. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote / comment make if this already happened to you. B-roll, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote / 3-column comparison table animating in make.com, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote / 1,800 integrations, 40 ops per second, complex branching. N8N, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote / free self-hosted, 400 plus nodes, AI native since version 1.0. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote / Zapier, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote / 7,000 integrations but only 2 tasks per minute on free. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote / the income these videos always leave out, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote / freelancers charging $500 to $2,000 monthly maintaining these stacks for clients. B-roll, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote / make.com pricing page zooming in on pro tier, free, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote / 1,000 operations, 2 active scenarios. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote / core, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote / $10.59 per month. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote / pro, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote / $18.82. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote / but add OpenAI API GPT-4o mini at 15 cents per million tokens plus Etsy's 6.5% fee, and real monthly costs hit $50 to $200 minimum. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote / nobody in those videos shows that math. B-roll, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote / animated 7.5 out of 10 rating graphic, score, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote / 7.5 out of 10. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote / make.com is genuinely solid automation. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote / but the $4,200 claim? That is the top 5%, 500 plus listings, 6 months of debugging broken workflows. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote / the reliable path is selling the automation service to clients, not running content farms yourself. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote / make.com or N8N, which one are you betting on? Tell me below. B-roll, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote / subscribe button pulse animation, full cost breakdown with real numbers, link in the description. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote / subscribe for daily AI tool reviews / speak.